Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device. Confirm model and bootloader state, ensure battery is at least 50%, and back up everything. Then enable developer options, toggle USB debugging, and turn on OEM unlock. These allow the PC to send unlock commands. Once done, connect via USB to a trusted computer with ADB installed and verify the device appears with fast boot devices. Now you have the prerequisites met and a working connection, so you can issue the first unlock command safely and continue to the next steps. You reboot the phone into bootloader using a DB reboot bootloader or the hardware button combo, because direct fastboot access is required. Next, run the manufacturer-specific fastboot unlock command, use fastboot OEM unlock or fastboot flashing unlock depending on the device, then confirm the on-screen prompt. If unlock completes, flash the correct stock firmware or custom recovery immediately to restore a working system image. This prevents boot loops and ensures the OS signs match the unlocked bootloader once you reboot and test functionality. You finish by rebooting into the system, restoring your backed up data, and checking SIM, Wi-Fi, and app behavior to ensure everything functions. If you want to relock the bootloader later, make sure the stock firmware and OTA updates are stable before relocking, otherwise you risk bricking. If the unlock failed or the device won't boot, gather diagnostic logs with a DB logcat and fastboot getvar all, note exact error messages, and retry the correct unlock command or reflash the stock image based on those details for a targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.